video, and this is another little cooking vlog. I go to the gym today, so I need to cook my food now. Oh, okay. I need to cook my food now because I ain't gonna have time because I want to go run some errands before I go to the gym. But I'm already dressed for the gym. I just gotta put my waist trainer on. Anyway, so I'm on a 1,500 calorie diet, y'all. And my trainer said the most important meal is the post-workout meal. You're supposed to eat it within 45 minutes of working out. Rah, rah, rah. So, in order for me to come home and do that, it needs to be already cooked. I got salads in there, but I want to kind of alternate like a salad for lunch and this for dinner. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah. By the way, that chicken zucchini smacked. It was so good. But I'm making a skillet pot today. So, we got turkey sausage, asparagus, carrots, and red potatoes. And of course, my new skillet. Yeah. But y'all, so first things first, my carrots is already chopped. Thank the Lord. I gotta chop up my turkey sausage and my potatoes, and then I have to boil my asparagus. So I'm gonna chop up my sausage and my potatoes, and then I'm going to boil my asparagus. So let's get it poppin'. Y'all, I ain't never used this turkey sausage before, so I hope it tastes good. But it ain't nothing a little seasoning can't fix. Kiana said it tastes good, but we gonna see. Let me chop this up. Okay, y'all, so I done chopped up my sausage. I cut them like in little circles, and then I cut the circles in half just because I feel like maybe it'll spread more. So now I'm finna get like 4. The recipe say 4 potatoes, but I'm gonna do 5. But it doesn't matter, honestly. I'm just getting, and I gotta cut them in 4s or whatever. Gotta wash them off first. It's a whole bunch of potatoes, child. Well, maybe but they small. So, got some potatoes left for next time. I want to do a seafood mukbang, though. So, I'm going to rinse these potatoes off. Bro, chopping up them potatoes almost took my head, but I chopped up 5 potatoes and I chopped them up small, and the sausage is underneath here. Now I'm about to, ooh, my legs hurt, y'all. I'm about to chop these asparagus in half and boil them in 2 cups of, how many cups? Maybe I need another 2 cups. Let's do 4 cups. Because I feel like this gonna overpower that. Let's do 6 cups. Okay, we did 6 cups. Because I feel like it was gonna overpower it. And my mama got this fancy power boil stove. So while the water is boiling, I'm gonna chop up the asparagus. I put a paper plate underneath the cutting board because the cutting board got wet too. So let's chop these asparagus in half. While I'm chopping these asparagus, I'm really nervous about like what today's gonna be because our first day was leg day and I still can't feel my legs. Like I try to stretch because I really don't want to pull the muscle because I feel like I am, because y'all, that was the torture, pure torture, okay? Like, when the 15 minutes was up, I was like, he was like, y'all still got 15 minutes. What are you? Camera drop, are you insane? But let me finish chopping these up before I hurt myself. Okay, so the asparagus is all chopped up. And I chopped them in halves and then chopped the halves in halves. The water is boiling. So we're only supposed to boil asparagus 2 to 3 minutes in salted water. So I'm going to get some salt. I'm going to add it to the boiling water. It's boiling. Look, y'all, it's boiling. Y'all, my phone's almost a goner, so we're just gonna leave it right here and we just gonna turn. I want to give y'all a close up, but this it. So the water is boiling. Oh, added some salt to it. It bubbled up, and I'm going to put the asparagus.
Quiz Q, point at me again.
I'm going to Okay, so these are my carrots and my potatoes. It said on the recipe to push them to the side and push them to the side in the skillet, but my skillet not big enough for that. So I'm gonna put like this little drop of olive oil in my pan, and then sausages make their own grease. So yeah, I'm gonna put some bell peppers and onions in the skillet. Spread it around, and then turn my fire up. Oh, y'all can't see. Turn my fire up, and then cook my sausage. And since I added salt, pepper, and garlic powder and onion powder, I'm gonna add that to my sausage, and then add my red pepper and my garlic powder to the whole thing when I mix them all together. And I'm gonna let my sausages brown. Wash your dishes while you wait on stuff to cook. So when you're done, you ain't got a whole bunch of stuff to cook. Your feet is not even. I need to wash out my meal prep containers. Rinse them out first before I start throwing the water. Wash those dishes. But while you waiting on stuff, trust me, my mama told me this, you ain't gonna ever have like a buttload of dishes to wash if you start now. Dishwashing liquid. Time to tell y'all. Alright, so I'm adding the asparagus in there. If you're not, don't be brave if you're not brave with the sausages at the bottom because they meat, of course. Kind of overpowering my skillet. What are you talking about, Zoo?
Quiz Cube, where that meat again?
Look how I worked that pot. Nothing fell out. It's all in there. I was getting evenly cooked with the stirring. Yeah. So I have turkey, sausage, carrots, potatoes, and asparagus. 4 days meal prep. With a little bit left over, which is about to be my lunch because I can eat at 3 and eat a snack. And then I don't eat till I don't eat until I go train. So yeah, y'all, and I'm just finishing washing my dishes because, you know, wash the dishes and clean the kitchen, get over with. We just finished our workout, y'all. Tired as hell.
My girl can't even talk. She want to get a vlog in. That's how much
I can't. But y'all,
guess who's gonna be fine? Ooh, y'all see this look? This is just this is nothing. When this food part out, watch me.
listen, when I hear that look back, Megan who? A lot of stallion. All right, let's go to church.